Hello guys, welcome back again to Tech. Today what we have for our viewers is how to easily convert your file to PDF, extract, split, and do whatever you want to do with your PDF file easily. There's no need to install any app. You can do this just in a click. Yes, just in a click. And then this procedure is absolutely free. You are not going to pay anything. Yes. So whether you are using you on a Mac, on Android, Windows, Macintosh, any platform, you can use this method for free. So quickly guys, let's see how you can do it. So the app name, um, before we just go through the process, one thing first. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to merge, split PDF, compress PDF, edit, sign, PDF converter, images to PDF. You can do all of these options over here for free. Yes, just in a click. It's absolutely free. You are not going to come. You are not going to buy anything. No, 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 no. It's just in a click. And no matter the platform uh, on which you are just using, you can just go through the same process. So quickly, let's go back again to the procedure and see how we can just get this things done. So the website's name is tools.pdf24.org. Yes. So get the name right, please. And the link will be added in the description too. So the website's name is tools.pdf24.org. Yeah. So guys, with this website, it's absolutely free. Everything is free over here. So over here, you can see we have the merge file, we have the split, we have compress, edit, sign, PDF converter, images, a whole lot of options, and it's absolutely free. So if you don't want to be frequently visiting the website, they have the desktop version. Yes, for Windows. Currently for Windows over here, you can just download it right on your laptop. Yes, right on your laptop or on your Windows device, so you can download it for free. Yeah. So guys, let's try one for example. Yeah. So let's try using this display PDF. So I have just made some dummy text in Word and for education purposes only. Yes, this is for illustration. So over here you have the choose file. So choose file. So I have my dummy text I made over here. So guys, this is my dummy file I made. For example, YouTube example. So I select my file over here, YouTube example. I just click. So YouTube example.pdf. So let's say if you have your document has multiple pages and you want to split them into various pages, you can rotate. There are a whole lot of features on this website, PDF 24/2. Guys, never miss the spelling of the site, please. So once you've got your selected file uploaded successfully, so once you hover on the file, you can see two pages and the size of the file you just uploaded. So quickly, you just click on the split, then it's in a queue, and guys, this is a quick process. So once it's done, you just download and it's downloaded over here. You see, so showing a folder. So my folder is open. So you can extract. Yes, I'm just extracting, guys. So it's over here. So it's one and two. It's one. So this is my first page. This is my first page. Let's go to the second page. And this is the second page. The dummy text I just inserted into my document for illustration purpose. So guys, this functionality is very useful when it comes to instances where you have bunch like hundreds of pages where you've got to split them for presentation or for any purpose. So, guys, this is what we have for you. We brought to you guys today. I know you just love it, and please kindly just Share this video after watching. Kindly subscribe and continue sharing. Thank you.